Breaking news! Dear esteemed subscribers, thanks you for always returning to channel. If you didn't subscribe yet, consider subscribing. Thanks. Our today's news, the Vatican City, has today announced the new Pope, Leo XVI. 1. Pope Leo I, Leo the Great, Pope, crowned Charlemagne as Holy Roman Emperor from 440 to 461 AD, known for meeting Attila the Hun and for his theological writings. 2. Pope Leo III, in 800 AD. 3. Pope Leo X, Pope during the early Reformation, famous for excommunicating Martin Luther. 4. Pope Leo XIII, known for his social teachings and the encyclical Rerum Novarum 1891, which addressed workers' rights. Pope Leo XIV's diverse background and extensive experience are expected to influence his approach to pressing issues facing the Church, including fostering unity, addressing global conflicts, and continuing efforts towards social justice.
Today, the Vatican witnessed a historic moment as Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost was elected the 267th Pope of the Catholic Church, taking the name Pope Leo XIV. Born in Chicago, Pope Leo XIV is the first American to ascend to the papacy. At 69, he brings a wealth of experience, having served as a missionary in Peru and later as a Vatican official. He is also the first Augustinian to become Pope. Pope Leo XIV is seen as a figure who may continue the reforms initiated by his predecessor, Pope Francis, who passed away on April 21, 2025. His election has been met with widespread acclaim, with many viewing him as a unifying leader for a diverse and global church. Following the traditional announcement of Habemus Papam, white smoke billowed from the Sistine Chapel, signaling his election. He then appeared on the balcony of St. Peter's Basilica to greet the faithful, offering his first words, "Peace be with all of you."